doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Today we're going to take a look at some minis and whatever else we feel like getting into today. I was at FiveBelow. I saw these PlayStation backpack buddies. It looks like we can get a miniature PlayStation inside. They were $5 each. This is a blind bag, so you know. Let's see what we got. It's kind of impossible to tell what they are without opening it. This one was pretty light, nothing shakes. So what do we got? Please let it be a game console. Please. What? Aw. I thought they were gonna look like the games. Oh wait, there it is. All right, well, not happy with this one. Let's try again, because I really want that miniature PlayStation. Come on, come on. Give me what I want. This feels promising. Doesn't feel like the last one. It is. Yeah! This is an old school PlayStation from like the 90s. We can press the buttons, but nothing opens. But that's pretty cool. And I think we could use this in the dollhouse. Let's just remove the hardware. And we've got a miniature PlayStation. I have one more. Hopefully we can get another console, because I feel like the controllers would just be way too overscale. But they can always be used for like our smart dolls, right? Yep. I called it. Yep, it's a great size for smart dolls. It's a pretty detailed little controller. The buttons move. I just wish it was smaller. I do think this mini PlayStation is pretty cool. I just don't know if I'm willing to spend another $5 to get more, because I might end up with this. Wacky Packages Minis Series 2. This was $5 at FiveBelow. We can see the one on top. It says chicken fat, laundry detergent. I do think Wacky Packages are great for background filler and random clutter in the dollhouse. You do get 5 items and a sticker. This is Series 2, and I do believe they are on Series 3. Nuttin' butter. All right, well, looks like cookies, I guess. If we don't focus on what they're saying, we can totally use them in the dollhouse. Hungry jerk instead of Hungry Jack. Yeah, that's not nice. We also have Chokin' in the Sea. That's messed up, and it's a little large. And Bald Aid. I guess we can put that in our miniature medicine cabinet. I got Disney Doorables for $3.99 at FiveBelow. I think these are pretty decent to be toys for dolls. Kind of like if your doll was into, large-headed figures like Pops or something like that. This is Series 7. It looks like they have some color reveal type characters. We have Princess and the Frog, Incredibles, Up, Inside Out, Beauty and the Beast, The Jungle Book, and Frozen. Which one did we get today? I wouldn't mind Princess and the Frog, but I got Incredibles. She's kind of cute. If your doll is like a Disney fan, then this could be like a fun thing to add to their desk as clutter. Like the rare Fifi from Beauty and the Beast. We get 2 minifigures in each one, so we're gonna try again to get the frog from Princess and the Frog, because I think that would be an adorable pet. But if we don't get it this time, it's just not meant to be. Guess it wasn't meant to be. This is Olaf. Wait, we have one more chance. Did we get him? No, we got Jungle Book. Well, they would still work in a Disney-themed room. I just had an idea. Can we use the game controller from the Real Littles bag collection with our PlayStation? It's a good size. I think we could totally get away with it. More FiveBelow fun finds. This is Smooshy Mushy Minis, and it comes with a little figure and little tiny accessories. Priced at $5, I thought maybe these accessories could give us kind of a remint vibe, like Lilakuma. Come on, tell me you see it. But I don't know about scale, and these are surprise boxes, so you don't know what you're gonna get. They were $5 each. And look at that. The inside is a scene. That's fun. Ooh, they're cute. Scale does seem to be all over the place. That's the door. And then here's the living area. So look at the chair compared to the door. So that's, But it's cute. I love when the packaging is usable. Everything comes packed individually, pretty much like Remint. We have Patsy Pug's gamer gear. Looks like we have a nice little gamer theme going on right now. This is a teeny tiny squishy. It's small. Don't pay attention to my shaky hands. And it's perfect for the dolls. We have a little monitor. You could probably use this with like Chelsea dolls. A chair. Maybe you can use that with Legos. I don't know. A tiny controller. That's adorable and perfect for Chelsea. Or Barbie Extra Minis. There's a juice box, a tiny plate, and pizza. This can totally work for mini dolls. I really want like these three, so let's try again. Please let me get the little brown bear. Yay! Here's a look inside, and here are my cute little almost Lilakuma figures. I have a footstool, a tiny computer, a little floor chair that I can't really use unless I put legs on it, a cute little cup of something, a bear-shaped jelly donut on a plate, and do you see that? You can actually see the jelly coming out, and a miniature squishy. I can use the cups with the Barbies, and maybe even the little donut. Everything else is Chelsea and Barbie Extra Mini size. Some of this might work for 1/12 scale if you're looking for something playful. This doll is from the Kiddos. Sorry, my French is not great. She's about 6¼ inches tall. The computer is a great size for her, and they're a good size for LOL Surprise. Now we just need the fast food and the shopping spree. To be honest, I wouldn't mind this one either. And it is another brown bear. We have a double. A reality of surprise boxes. And I think that's supposed to be a table, not a stool, but I'm totally going to use it as a stool. Here is my last one. Wait. Seriously? I bought 4 and 3 of them were triples. Worst luck ever. This is totally random, but I really want Michael, so we're gonna take a chance here. These were $5 at FiveBelow. It's The Office, little minifigures. Watch me get a golden Dwight. I will not be happy. I got a Dundee award. This is actually hilarious. And I'm totally gonna put this in Mini Toys' office. Oh yeah. If you want a sure thing, I did see Totally Tiny still at FiveBelow for $5. It's all perfectly Barbie sized and comes in realistic colors. Here's a little size comparison. We have the Smooshy Mushy Minis, the Totally Tiny, and Remint. Here is a minifigure called For Keeps, ages 14 plus. For Keeps stands for inclusivity, love, and self-empowerment. There are about 7 different characters, and we are affirmed, seen, and heard. But I don't think they're posable. Nope, but they do come with a doll stand. I just ran to Instagram for a little research, and I saw that these are minifigures of a slightly larger doll. Speaking of miniatures, these were on sale for half off at Target today. Mini LOL Surprise Family, Series 1. I paid about $5.55 for this, which I'm not mad about. Ooh, these are perfect dolls for dolls. And you get a little play set inside. We have a sweet shop on one side and a toy box on the other. I think this means I have Candylicious, which is the one I really want. Do you see this teeny tiny backpack? That's adorable and super tiny. I think this is the stand, and they want to act like this is a surprise, but it's just a stand. And I have another stand. I think Candylicious is adorable, and yeah, super tiny cuteness and her head moves. This is either Bon Bon or Hop Hop. It's Bon Bon, who is one of my favorite LOL Surprise characters. This must be Hop Hop. I don't get as excited about the pets, but you know, that's just me. But it is cute, and it's a perfect doll for dolls. This is like my preferred method of collecting LOL Surprise dolls. I like them a lot in a super mini form, but I would like it if they were easier to open. Let's see who this is. We're gonna go right to the largest one. Ah, it's the rare Lady Diva. Did I know their arms can move? Did I realize that before? Wow. We have a tiny little purse, Diva stripes, and Diva. That one is rare. Okay, let's see if we can find Neonlicious. I do have a Royal Bee already, but we need swag. We have 2 more. So far, we've been pretty good at getting ones with OMG dolls. I don't want the ones that only have the LOL dolls. Why did I say that? This looks like Teacher's Pet. We have... Yep, Teacher's Pet. This is an ultra rare. And this is Sleepy Buns to go with Sleepy Bones. And here is Teacher's Owl. This is my last family. Hopefully we have an OMG doll. I don't know. I don't recognize these colors. Something tells me it's like Miss Glam, the birthday party girl. Oh, no way. Yes way. On the list of availability, this one is extra. I wasn't even trying to get excited about this one because I didn't think I would ever find it. But there she is, Miss Glam, all sparkly. We have a little purse, Miss Puppy, and Miss Baby. Not too bad. I think Mini Toy is a type of doll who would totally have toys all over her desk. I've been looking at Glow Up Girls for a minute to see if I can use their clothes. Time for a segment of Does the Fit Fit? Glow Up Girls edition. This doll was $19.99. It says there are 25 surprises plus spa ready. There are all these little things you can do, like make a face mask, use bath bombs, reveal makeup, color changing nails, and fashion. I have feelings about putting dolls in water, so we're just gonna skip to the fashion stuff. Although it does come with a little foot tub. This is Tiffany. She comes in pajamas and is wearing a little eye mask. She's under 10 inches tall, has rooted hair, and some articulation. There's movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and ankle. No knee joint. Let's remove the mask. She has large eyes. Kind of reminds me of Disney Descendants a little bit. Her pajamas are 2 separate pieces. But does the fit fit? Since this material has a little stretch, my classic Barbie can fit it. The shirt is a little short, it's kind of like a baby tee, and the pants don't go all the way to the floor. It's a perfect fit on a Rainbow High doll. The face mask comes in a little package. I'm just gonna leave it like this. We have a bath bomb. This says glitter and gleam. What's inside here? Hopefully it's a toy. Oh, it looks like stickers. Oh, and her jewelry. We have flower earrings and a bracelet. And I think those stickers were nail stickers. This was taped on the inside of the box. I want to say it's a purse. Yep, it's all white, but we could probably use a little paint to bring out those details. Here's a cardstock shopping bag. Inside we have some tissue paper. In the paper, we have jeans with printed details and a little top. There's not a lot of stretch in this outfit. It is Rainbow High compatible. The pants can fit a Barbie, however, I can't get the top to close in the back. Aw, man! The last box is a shoe box, and they're too wide for Barbie and too small for Rainbow High. Well, at least I got a new pair of PJs. Oh, and I almost forgot she comes with a makeup bag. It has a quilt pattern. It can open, and there's something inside. A lotion bottle with a top. The bag does say Tiffany on one side, but we can easily remove that with a little nail polish remover and repaint it. Now that Mini Toya is all comfy in her PJs, she wants to watch a little TV. Good thing I got Tiny TV Classics. This is by Basic Fun. I got it from Walmart. It was $26 about. There were some on sale for $22. There are different TV designs. There's ultra retro, retro, millennial. This shape was for like the 90s when Jurassic Park came out. The original, folks. The original. Why was this $26? It has a real working remote and real clips from the movie. It takes batteries, they are included. But this TV is super small. I'm talking college dorm room small. The remote is also tiny. This TV might work pretty good for 1/12 scale. It's on a stand. I don't think you can remove it without some force. It's a good size for Barbie Extra Minis. Let's see, does the remote work? Come on, work, work. I think we have to turn it on manually. So let's push the button on the side. It does have volume control. And look at that, it works. Oh my goodness. Now does the remote work? It does. We can change the channel and watch clips from the movie. It does have sound, but you know, for filming purposes, I turn the volume down. So cool. These clips are pretty long. This is just too cute not to use in the dollhouse. I'm gonna find a way to make it work. Now I have my 90s TV and my PlayStation. The working TV and the PlayStation are my favorite finds of the day. Thank you for joining us for another doll fun find video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!